Hi, Bella. What are you up to there?
Hi, Roger. I'm here today in my kitchen to show you one of my all-time favorite nut milk recipes.
Okay, so what are the ingredients?
We are going to be making walnut milk today, and this is one of my all-time favorite nuts to use for milk. The taste of it is just so delicious and decadent, and also it's just a brain food in general.
Right. Yeah, of course, omega-3s very high. The thing about making your own nut milks at home, it's economical, it's fresh, the prana is there. The health food store's got a lot of choice now with all the nut milks, but, it's so much better if you can do this at home.
It truly is, and it only takes a few minutes. It also is free of gums, fillers, and additives, which is really nice because in your local store, you're going to see an ingredient list that's long and not know most of those ingredients.
Exactly. Okay. So we got walnuts, and of course, important to soak them overnight. Nature's got the sort of phytic acids in there. Traditional people knew this really, really well. They'd always soak, their nuts and seeds. Sometimes for up to days, on end. So we're gonna soak the walnuts overnight.
Yes, so give yourself 8 to 12 hours before making this recipe. You're going to use about 150 grams of walnuts. This is about a cup and a half. So get your walnuts in a strainer and rinse them very well with some filtered water. You're going to pour that into a bowl with 3 to 4 cups of water and let that sit overnight.
Okay, got it.
Once that's all finished, you're going to get them back into the strainer and rinse them one last time with some filtered water. Then you're going to be using about 3 cups for your actual nut milk. So you're going to pour
Okay,
that.
so like 3 cups water to the 1 cup walnuts.
Yep, exactly. So I do 1.5 cups of walnuts and 3 cups of water.
Right, right. So you just blend all of that up.
Yep, you're going to blend it up all together. So we're going to put our walnuts here. And then I have a couple ingredients that I love to incorporate to make this taste really delicious. So I love using just 1 full date. It really gives such an amazing flavor.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, because it sweetens it a little bit, low GI.
Yeah.
And, that's actually got an incredible nutrition to them. You can have a whole meal in the summertime with just a little bit of hummus and some dates.
Exactly. Any chance to use dates, I love using them. I also have some Ceylon cinnamon. This is going to be like the highest quality of cinnamon you can find, just really rich in antioxidants, and again, just makes a really great flavor for your nut
Yeah,
milk.
lovely warming. In Chinese medicine, we have the temperatures of foods. So
Mhm.
our thing is more like the energetics of food. So all the nutrition is easy to study, in my opinion. But cinnamon, amazing to stabilize your blood sugar, right?
Mhm.
That's very well clinically proven now. And it has a warming effect. And in Chinese medicine, it's very good for kind of like what we call dampen the body. It helps to sort of disperse and break down congestion in the body.
Absolutely. And then lastly, just a couple pinches of the Celtic sea salt just to bring
Uh-huh.
out all the flavors of everything.
Great.
That's all there is to it. The secret to making milk at home in general, any type of nut milk, you're going to want to blend it twice. So on a blender, it usually has about 60 seconds. Let that go and do it one more time. So you're going to be blending it all together for about 2 minutes. That just really breaks down the walnuts and gets that extra creaminess that you can find in like your normal store-bought milk.
Okay, got it. So we got walnuts, we got dates, we got the cinnamon, we got some Celtic salt. You
Mm-hmm.
soak it overnight, then 1 cup of walnuts to about 3 parts water,
Exactly.
and then you blend it, and then you're going to strain it.
Yeah, so I have a cheesecloth. I already made some here for us today. But what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put this into your bowl. You're gonna pour your mixture right over, and you're just gonna strain it about for a couple minutes. And you're also left with this amazing walnut pulp. I really love this
Right.
stuff. It's really amazing. You can dehydrate it, use it as a flour. You can make it into treats, like a raw treat. The possibilities are definitely endless with that. So don't waste it.
We don't waste anything here.
But yeah, that is all there is to it. I have the milk right here, so it makes about a quart. And I just love storing this in my fridge. You can make it, I make it with like my oatmeals, matcha, elixirs. Really, you can do so much with it, and it's just really nice to have on hand at all times.
Wow. Yeah, and it's incredibly healing to the body. In Chinese medicine, it lubricates, it builds up the yin, the essence of the body, and very good for the synovial fluids and all sorts of things. So, and it's just one of those kind of like comfort foods as well. It's just very kind
It
of
really
earthy.
is. The taste is amazing, and that's why I really want everyone to try it. So
Yeah,
please make it at home.
great. That's great. Thanks, Bella.
Thanks, Roger. See you later.